Welcome to this video. Today, we will look at the fascinating concept on bioluminescence. Have you ever wondered why some creatures glow in the dark? It's a fascinating phenomenon called bioluminescence. Bioluminescence is the ability of living organisms to produce light. This process happens through chemical reactions. It mainly involves a light-emitting molecule called luciferin. Now, let's explore how bioluminescence works, step by step. First, luciferin combines with oxygen. This reaction releases energy in the form of light. Next, an enzyme called luciferase helps speed up this process. This reaction can create light in various colors. Many marine animals display bioluminescence. For instance, fireflies produce a yellow-green light. This helps with communication and attracting mates. Imagine walking through a forest at night. You see twinkling lights among the trees, that's fireflies. Bioluminescence serves multiple purposes. It can attract prey or deter predators. Some species use it to camouflage against moonlight. To summarize, bioluminescence is nature's way of creating light. It involves chemical reactions, luciferin, and luciferase. Many organisms use this ability for various reasons. Now you know about the magic of bioluminescence. Want to learn more about nature's wonders? Subscribe for more.